I just looked at some live cameras up at the outside Timberline Lodge this afternoon, Ashley. Snow showers are coming down really heavy, and that's what you're going to continue to see heading into the overnight hours and into tomorrow. About 10 inches has fallen in the last 24 hours, and yeah, definitely more is on the way here in really just the next couple of hours or so. But we have a strong warm front bringing in some heavy downpours, some wind, and some heavy snow showers throughout parts of the gorge and over the Oregon Cascades. We're not going to be seeing any threat of snow hitting the valley anytime soon. We are going to be seeing a lot of rain, though, to start off the weekend. This is what we've seen so far since midnight. Just over 1/3 of an inch of rain, closing in on 1/2 of an inch over in Hillsborough. Now, a lot of this has just fallen here in the last couple of hours or so, and over in Kelso in southwest Washington, you're looking about 1/4 of an inch of rain so far. And east side of the state, not a whole lot. But if you travel throughout the gorge along I-84 at all tonight, be prepared for some winter driving conditions. So it is going to be a rainy start to the weekend. Along with that rain, we'll also see some wind as well. So throughout the gorge and the Cascades, that's where you'll be seeing some slick roads, and traveling could be kind of difficult throughout parts of Hood River, at least about 1,500 feet and higher. You could be looking at anywhere from 2 to 5 inches of snow with a chance for some freezing rain. Next week, we turn pretty cold and dry really quick, really starting Sunday afternoon. Over in Cannon Beach right now, we're looking at a temperature of 45 degrees. The winds have picked up a little bit, and they're going to really start to pick up late tonight and into tomorrow with gusts up to about 25 to 30 miles an hour. That'll be the case here in the valley as well. Right now we're looking at a temperature of 41 degrees from our Wells Fargo camera, and the winds are coming in out of the east about 16 miles per hour. Now throughout the later part of tonight and into the evening hours, you'll notice the heaviest downpours move through basically toward the end of your evening commute and into about 8, 9 o'clock, and then heavier bands will move in early tomorrow morning. But with all that rain, we have some watches and warnings. You see a coastal flood advisory will be in effect until 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon along the northern and central Oregon coastline. But that purple color you see is a winter storm warning throughout the Oregon Cascades. There's also a winter weather advisory throughout parts of the gorge, and the orange color is a wind advisory. Some locations throughout the central and eastern side of the state could easily see gusts up to about 50 to 60 miles per hour. Case in point, near Bachelor, you're going to be seeing gusts up about 30, 35 miles per hour. Over in Bend, those gusts could be picking up to about 40 miles per hour. By tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to transition out of the really stormy conditions. We won't be seeing widespread rain. We'll be seeing more scattered showers. But right around 6:30 tonight, we'll be seeing some heavy bands move through. And early tomorrow morning after midnight over in Astoria and the northern part of the Oregon coast, you'll be seeing some heavier cells move through. And with some of these showers, there could be some thunderstorms along the beaches that roll in by tomorrow afternoon. But rainfall amounts are going to be really impressive. That model is showing between tonight and the end of the weekend the potential of seeing more than an inch of rain. So rainy and windy along the coast. Chance to see some thunderstorms roll through tomorrow afternoon. Throughout the valley, we're not going to be seeing the thunderstorm threat, but we will be seeing the morning rain transitioning into more afternoon showers. But we'll have that warm front move on shore, so our temperatures will be a little bit warmer from what we have been seeing. And then throughout eastern Oregon, it's going to be another location that sees some stormy conditions with all that snow. This is just impressive. Look at that. Timberline Lodge right now, heavy snow and windy conditions as well. Temperature right now of 21 degrees. Heavy snow showers overnight, 46 down to the lower elevations. Up high, you could easily see anywhere from 15, maybe 16 inches of snow by the overnight hours and into tomorrow. Throughout the Columbia River Gorge, expect to see the slick roads at times with the freezing rain and that snow. High tomorrow of 46 degrees here in the metro area. And on that 7-day forecast, we'll start to dry out by Sunday afternoon, and we'll start a 5-6 day stretch, Ashley, with with basically sunny and dry conditions and much cooler conditions toward the middle part next week.